I uploaded a YouTube video in English. 10 minutes later, it was dubbed in Japanese. My voice, my lip movements, matching every single syllable. No voice actor, no reshooting, nothing. That's tool 3. But tool 5? It replaced 10 apps on my computer with a single keyboard shortcut. I deleted Spotify controls, my clipboard manager, my translator, my calculator, all of it, one tool. Let me show you all 5. Right now, you're probably paying for 12 to 15 subscriptions. Notion, Stripe, Canva, a video editor, a project manager, a dozen tabs open at all times. What if I told you 5 tools could kill almost all of them? Not downgrades, upgrades. These tools do more than what you're replacing. And the wildest part, most are free to start first. Coda AI. I typed a product launch plan in plain English. 9 sentences. What I got back made my jaw drop. A full interactive dashboard with task dependencies, deadlines, status columns, and team assignments. No formulas. No manual setup. No dragging boxes around for an hour. Coda is what happens when Google Docs, Sheets, and Airtable merge and then get a brain. You can build CRMs, wikis, approval workflows, even client portals, all inside one tool. Uber uses this, Square uses this, and it replaces Notion plus Sheets plus Trello in one shot. Free for up to 50 docs. Pro is $10 per month. 3 apps eliminated for the price of a sandwich. Number 2, Lemon Squeezy. If you sell anything digital and you're using Stripe, stop. Stripe makes you handle weight, sales tax, invoicing, and merchant of record status yourself. One mistake and you owe a government money. Lemon Squeezy handles all of it. Payments, subscriptions, tax compliance in 180 countries, license keys, affiliate programs, one dashboard. I set up a complete digital product store in 20 minutes. Checkout pages, upsells, automated email delivery, all done. Their AI even suggests optimal pricing based on your market. And here's the kicker. No monthly fee. They take 5% plus 50 cents per transaction. You pay nothing until you make money. If you sell digital products and you're still doing tax math yourself, this fixes that today. Number 3. The one I opened with. Rask AI. Upload a video in English. Pick from 130 plus languages. What comes back is not subtitles. Not a robotic voiceover. It's your voice, speaking Japanese with your lips matching every word. I uploaded a 5-minute tutorial. Got back a Japanese version where my clone sounded natural, the timing was perfect, and the lip sync was flawless. No reshooting. No voice actors. No subtitle files. Just upload, wait, done. Creators are going global overnight with this. One video becomes 130 videos. $49 a month. It pays for itself on the first international viewer who buys something. Number 4. Whimsical. I typed user onboarding flow for a SaaS app. 10 seconds later, a complete flowchart appeared. Decision nodes, error states, edge cases. All of it. 10 seconds. I've spent 45 minutes arranging boxes in Figma to get something half as good. Whimsical's AI generates flowcharts, mind maps, and wireframes from plain text. Product teams use it for specs. Developers for architecture diagrams. Marketers for campaign flows. It even generates wireframes from descriptions. Free tier gives you 100 AI generations. Pro is $10 a month. Never drag a box around a whiteboard again. And number 5. Raycast. The silent killer on this list. One keyboard shortcut. That's it. From that one shortcut you can search files, manage clipboard history, control Spotify, translate text, run scripts, manage windows, look up documentation, and chat with AI. All without touching your mouse. It has a built-in AI that works with ChatGPT, Claude, or local models. I use it to summarize articles, draft emails, convert time zones, and do calculations. Extensions for GitHub, Jira, Slack, everything plugs in. I uninstalled 10 apps the first week. Free for personal use. Pro with AI is $8 a month. $8 to replace 10 apps. That's not even a decision. 5 tools. Your docs, payments, video dubbing, diagrams, and entire desktop workflow replaced. Simplified, faster. While everyone else is drowning in subscriptions and tabs, you run lean and